26 days I've completed on the carnivore diet, and things are pretty smooth sailing now. Today we're going to be going over meal prep. I promised you guys that we were going to do some meal prep on this video over the weekend. I'm sorry I haven't posted the last couple days, but it's been, with Father's Day weekend, it's been a little crazy. So with all that being said, we're going to jump right into it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me to know that, that what I'm doing is impactful. It's helpful. And so, you know, I've also, tomorrow is going to be a great video because we're going to be addressing all the comments that I've gotten in a lot of our videos. And the community has been really, really cool. I got to say, like, your comments, your suggestions, I'm always like, I've been a creature of habit my whole life. So when I find something that works for me, I like to cling on to that thing, and I don't really like to deviate. So some of you guys that are throwing out different suggestions, using chuck roasts and using sous vides and using all of these different things, we're going to be going through all of those things in tomorrow's video, all those different suggestions. And even though it's a little outside my comfort zone, I am going to I'm going to commit to trying a different method for cooking at least once a week. So I just want to say that I appreciate you guys, and let's get into it. Okay, so we have 10.44 pounds of boneless ribeye, and we paid $15.99 per pound for boneless ribeye. So that was $166, but roughly $167 from boneless ribeye. Then we also got 4.69 more pounds of bone-in ribeye, and that was $11.99 per pound, which adds another $56.23. We had a total of 15.13 pounds of meat, and we multiplied that by our average of $14.75 per pound, giving us a grand total of $223 in meat for meal prep for the week. Okay, we are mass cooking bacon, and we should, so this is we'll have to do 2 batches. I need 36 pieces of bacon for 6 days. 6 pieces of bacon a day, each breakfast. So 2 batches, this size should do it. We're gonna throw it in the oven at 350. We're still preheating. And we'll see how long it takes. This should cut down on the mess. Now it's time for us to salt and pepper our steaks. Salt's a great electrolyte. It's going to help you stay hydrated, keep you from cramping up, and the pepper is just great for flavor. So that's all the seasoning I use. And then I like to take about a tablespoon-ish of butter, and I'll put it on each piece of steak. So when I throw it on the grill, that butter is just going to melt right into the steak, and it's going to be amazing. When I flip, I'll add another dab of butter. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. My wife and my daughter were amazing about helping me cut up all the steak today. In an effort to mass produce the bacon and to clean up on the mess, I tried baking it, and turns out the bacon clings to that pan like you would not believe. So I decided, once I actually got it all off and I got all the bacon into this container, it was okay, but ultimately I decided it's going to be better to pan fry it. So we went ahead and did that and got our next set of bacon ready. You can see how red this meat is still, which I actually prefer. But I'll tell you, when you make steak for meal prep, what I've found is that I like to have it a little bit more red, because you're going to reheat this, essentially recooking the food, and all that redness is going to get cooked out. So if you don't want it dried out, then keep it red when you cook it.